There is a specific sound that every photographer recognizes. It's not just the click of a shutter, it's the sound of precision. For years, one camera has defined the intersection of luxury and utility. A camera that shouldn't make sense on paper, a fixed-lens, full-frame beast that costs more than most professional zoom setups, and yet, it is the most coveted piece of glass in the world. We are talking about the Leica Q series. But as we stand on the precipice of 2025 and 2026, the Q3 is no longer the final word. The whispers from Wetzlar have reached a fever pitch. The Leica Q4 is coming, and it is designed to do the one thing Leica fans thought was impossible: improve upon perfection. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you think this is just another incremental update, you haven't been paying attention to the shift in the industry. The Q4 isn't just a camera, it's a statement. In an era where AI-generated images and smartphone computational photography are blurring the lines of reality, Leica is doubling down on the soul of the image. But they are doing it with technology that feels like it's been pulled from 5 years in the future. We're talking about a sensor that redefines low-light capability, an autofocus system that finally closes the gap with Sony, and a design philosophy that might finally introduce something the Q line has desperately needed. Why does this matter to you? Because the Leica Q4 is the ultimate one-camera, one-lens solution for the elite storyteller. Whether you're shooting street photography in New York, a high-profile wedding in California, or a quiet landscape in the Pacific Northwest, the Q4 is being built to be the only tool you ever need. But with rumors of a massive price hike and a shift in internal hardware, is it still the king of the everyday carry, or has Leica pushed the luxury envelope too far? Stay with me, because we are about to deconstruct every leaked patent, every insider rumor, and every technical specification of the most anticipated fixed-lens camera in history. This is the deep dive into the Leica Q4. Let's start with the heart of the experience, the sensor. The Q3 gave us 60 megapixels of glorious resolution. It was a benchmark. But for the Q4, the goal isn't just more megapixels. The goal is better pixels. Rumors suggest a new, triple-resolution architecture that goes beyond what we saw in the M11. We are looking at a sensor that can natively switch between 60, 36, and 18 megapixels, but with a new twist: enhanced dynamic range at the lower resolutions that rivals medium-format cameras. Imagine having the ability to shoot a high-speed street scene at night with zero noise, then switching to full resolution for a studio portrait that captures every single pore and fiber with clinical precision. This is the versatility the Q4 is bringing to the table. But a sensor is only as good as the glass in front of it. The 28mm Summilux f/1.7 has been the crown jewel of the Q series since day one. It is legendary. However, the rumors for the Q4 are polarizing. There are whispers of a dual optic system or a revised lens coating that virtually eliminates flare while maintaining that signature Leica pop. Some insiders suggest that Leica is working on a revolutionary macro mode that allows for even closer focusing distances without losing edge-to-edge sharpness. For the US creator who demands perfection in every frame, this lens update, if true, would make the Q4 the most versatile 28mm optic ever produced. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: autofocus. Let's be honest.